In this tutorial, I will show you how to connect a custom domain to your Kajabi. For that, once you are logged in, click on the settings on the left-hand panel near the bottom, and you will find something like this. And from here, under the site settings, find domain and click on it. Here, as you see, we have a subdomain already, and it is a Kajabi subdomain. But if you want to make changes to your subdomain, all you need to click on this pencil icon. And from here, you can put your, subdomain name, and uh, then you can save it. But if you want to set up a custom domain, you need to click on this Set up Custom Domains. On the next screen, you need to select Connect Domain to Kajabi. And Kajabi will show you how to update the name server and your custom domain will be added to your Kajabi. That is as simple as it is.